Juwayriya says, is mace and nutmeg both haram? This is an issue of dispute, and I'm frequently asked this question simply because the vast majority of people in the subcontinent and in the Arab world use nutmeg as spices. Now, there is a dispute among scholars. Some say that this is permissible because the amount used is negligible. Others go to the origin of the issue, which is, does it intoxicate or not? Everyone agrees that yes, if consumed in large quantities, it intoxicates. The Prophet said in an authentic hadith, whatever intoxicates in large quantities, then little of it is haram. So I am inclined to the second opinion, which states that it's not the end of the world, and you can cook without nutmeg. So stay away from it. Yet I respect those who abide by the first opinion and they say, no, little of it will not intoxicate you, and hence it is permissible. I beg to differ with them. I disagree with their opinion, but this is their choice. And if they believe and they have the conviction of it being a correct verdict, so be it. It's up to them. So what about mace? Mace shares the same ruling if it has the same impact. So if you consume a lot of it and intoxicates you, it becomes haram. What about the issue of you, Sheikh, saying that you drink non-alcoholic beer that has a small percentage of like less than 0.1% or 0.5%, 0.7% alcohol? I've clarified this before, and I said that this type of beer is allowed in Saudi Arabia, which does not allow intoxicants. And alhamdulillah, if you drink a lot of that beer that has negligible amount of alcohol, which the same amount can be found in some fruits, can be found in some breads, can be found in some cakes. So the amount itself is so negligible that if you consume a lot of these fruits or a lot of these beers or a lot of these pastries that have such minute percentage of alcohol, it would not intoxicate you if you consume a lot. This means that consuming little is halal. This is different than when we have a candy bar that has a single drop of brandy. Brandy is not alcohol. Brandy is intoxicating by itself. Alcohol, on the other hand, is a chemical that no one can drink and get wasted with it without dying. Because alcohol is a substance, but it is not consumed by itself. So the presence of alcohol in some medications, like cough syrup, in some drinks, in some juices that naturally develop, but does not reach the percentage that would intoxicate you, even if you drink large quantities of it, this does not make the drink or the food or the beverages haram, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.